Yeah.
Carry out only. You must.
I'm filming the sky because we got severe weather. People who are driving out there about this time, at this time, oh, shite. That was not hard to see. That's the traffic as I am in Hattiesburg, Mississippi, and whoa!
Oh, you missed it!
Damn it! Damn it!
You gotta keep
Damn it!
and
Damn it! 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 Damn it!
That's for the police.
What? Oh! Whoa!
Emergency vehicles.
I'm aiming. What's that?
For emergency vehicles.
I'm aiming. I can't fire because this ain't a gun. This is a webcam. I caught that. I
Did you
caught
catch
that.
that?
Yeah, I caught that. Oh, and that other person you hear in the background is my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
There. This will be posted on YouTube. So share, subscribe. You are the best people in the
Tell them
world.
what today is. What's today?
Today's Sunday. This is very bad.
September 2016.
Yep. This is a bad fundo storm. That's what I'm gonna name
That's what's gonna name it, Fundo.
No, I'm gonna name that lightning bolt Fundo. Oh, I caught that on tape.
Oh, cool.
Hey, people, watch out and try.